Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Yo guys, indaba ezibuhlungu esiqeda ukuzizwa manje ukuthi ke umama uZanele Mbokazi akasekho emhlabeni. Bakithi besithembile ukuthi ke uNkulunkulu uzowenza umusa emva kwemthandazo eminingi eyenziwe, kodwa ke kuthiwa ke akasekho emhlabeni. The statement from the family ithi ke, it is with a heavy heart that we Nkambule and Mbokazi family announce the passing of our dearly beloved Mrs. Zanele Mbokazi Nkambule, founder of Crown Gospel Music Awards and Ukhozi FM radio personality. She departed to be with the Lord early hours of 12 August 2024 at Parkland Hospital. We are grateful for all the prayers, love and support we received throughout her illness. Her family would appreciate privacy as we navigate through this challenging time. Announcement again ubaba uNkambule umnyeni ke wakhe ke umama uZanele ke Mbokazi. Bakithi zibuhlungu kakhulu lezi indaba lezi. Bamakuthiwa sesiphinde saqemeka engeqiwa ntwala phela lokugula lokumqale nje kuwona lonyaka ephethwe ke isifo ke icancer. Niyazi bakithi ukuthi lesifo lesi ke kunzima mangabe ke sakubamba, kanti futhi ke nomama wakhe naye wekade edlule ngaso futhi sona ke lesifo. Emndenini, ihlobo, abangani sithi nje akwehlanga ulingehli, inkosi iphile, inkosi ithathile. Malibonge igama layo. Thank you.